Right then, Joey.
Go on, sorry.
I'm loud enough, love. Right then, for this week now, for my little entrance, you know I like to make an entrance, we're all going to get involved in my little intro today. So, you all know this song, right? You know it. On, how do I explain this now? Can I put my board there? Thanks. Right, on shout, I want the back row to stand and shout. For the second shout, the middle row will stand and shout. For the third shout, we're going to have you and you shout. And I think there's a fourth. And if there's a fourth, this lovely table over here, Zoe's dad, shout. Okay? And then, after a while, we have the say you wills. So for the say you wills, the back row will be say you will, then there's a middle row, and you will do the same, then same, and no, I think we've got more say you wills. So I'll just point to you and you move your arms, yeah? Have we all got it? Yeah. You all with me?
Sam, I don't know the song.
You know it when you just play it.
I don't think anybody does.
Yeah, they do. Ready? In fact, wait, we're going to have a test run first. We're going to have a test run, and then we're going to go for it, okay? We're going to do a test run. Ready? Go.
Me or somebody else? You've lost
Joey,
me now.
you just started, sweetheart. Press it.
You know you make me wanna shout. Look my hands, look my arms, look my hands, look my hands back. Come on, don't forget to say you will. Yeah, don't forget to shout. Yeah. Say you will, baby. Come on, say you will.
That was our tester, guys, so we know what we're doing now, yeah? We got the energy now, we ready to go?
Yeah. Can we start the show?
No, that was my tester. We're doing it again. Ready, guys? Okay, from the top. Go.
Well, you know you make me wanna shout. Look my hands, jump and laugh. Look my arms, focus, throw my hands back. Come on now, don't forget to say you will. Yeah, don't forget to shout. Yeah,
And
say you will. Baby,
here we go.
come on, say you will.
Well done, guys. You know, if we ever release that, right, I can just see it in my head now, all of you, like, behind me. Me, like, beer, and I just pointing to you and be like, Joe, I got an idea. Joe. We're doing a music video, guys. We are. Right then, guys, welcome to Themes Week. Who's excited and ready to go? Oh, come on, guys. I worked at 7 o'clock this morning. I'm hanging, but I've still got a little bit of oomph in me. Who's ready to go? That's better. Right then, there are a few people who obviously are not here tonight, but the show must go on, and I'm here, so we will. So, any other announcements before I kick-start it, Joey?
No, that's wonderful, Larissa.
Fabulous.